Made it through the gate at the junkyard. Let's see. It's pretty deep right here. I don't want to dig it out no more. Damn. Them boys come down through here playing. I know it's fun, but shit, it ruts out the junkyard. There's the Pathfinder 2-door. Man, I'd love to put my Z motor in that with that 5-speed. But just going around to that S10 I'm working on over here on its top. Somebody had it on its side to pull the gas tank the easy way. And I'm getting everything, cross member and everything, cut out from underneath it. And then gonna hook a chain or get that and flip it back over. Get that last bolt or two, bell housing bolt or two, and then pick it up and it'll drop right out. Done got the torque converter bolts out and stuff yesterday. But y'all take care. I'm just showing you how swampy this old junkyard gets. Boy, is it fun. If I was in I'm in my uncle's truck, but if I was in my Pathfinder, I sure would play. Y'all take care. Keep on junking.